easier, right? So, you come over and hit me.
Mary?
Yes, ma'am. So you hit, boom, and from here, instead of going in, I'm going to get you down. Now from there, it actually makes that throw you just did easier. Because I make her bend over. I make her put her balance over her legs. Boom. Come up, drop. Now come in. Boom, hit, boom, control. Swim under, raise high, raise high, raise high. Push down, push down, push down. Oh. Just pop them back.
She'll hurt me.
Drop your weight, boom. There it is. The same twist that split it before is now going to give you power to bend her over. Good. Swim under and drop your weight. Swim under. Now drop that. Boom! Yes! I keep shoving though. You don't just. Yeah. That's good. It's uncomfortable. Yeah, and then you elbowed me. Good job.